If I get lost, please find me.
In memory, in salutation of a legend of Jamaica's first musical hero, I am Munga on the Rebel. National Emancipation Park. If I ever forget to give thanks, y'all please remind me. If I ever get lost, please find me and stand beside me. Rastafari Almighty. If I ever forget to give thanks, y'all please remind me. If Jah bless you this morning, who anyone want to still say? And I'm so blessed and I won't stress. I know Jah loves me, I won't guess. Pagans may tap, but Jah knows best. They try to stop me, but I won't let them. Be afraid to wine, now we will get to wine, now step to wine. Rastafari, protect the eye, and King Emmanuel bless the eye. With my words of truth, that's not the scare me, I prophesy. I'm breathing big up on the right hand, never praise the King as long as I can. He made me a guy can. Praise Rastafari and let the burn on bonfire like an inferno and Happy birthday to Bob Marley, Jamaica. If I ever forget to give thanks, y'all please. If I ever get lost, please find me. Big up the government members that supported this move. Big up all who support Reggae Month and Dancehall. Yes, yes, I said, yes, yes, just said. Said I see I don't want the greatest, I said. Among the God will always be blessed, just said. From north out to the east and to the west, just said. Oh yes, just said. Progress, just said. Give thanks to my prince and my princess, I said. The daily emperor is in empress, I said. Also the Ethiopian black actress, I said. Bounce me steady, my bounce. My name is Munga Honorable. Salutations to the Honorable Babs the Great in the building and all the members of Parliament surrounding about. Big up all who love Jamaica and who love dancehall and who love themselves. Cause if I ever forget to give thanks, y'all please. If I ever get lost, please stay beside me. Rastafari. And if I ever forget to give thanks, y'all please remind me. And if I ever get lost, Holy man will I Selassie, Jah. Can we represent for the beautiful ladies in the building tonight? So them say February, a Black History Month, Reggae Month, Dancehall Month. Me wouldn't be without a woman. I wouldn't be a father without a woman. So I can't sing for the girl then. And I will hold her in my arm and put her head upon my shoulder. And I will keep you warm. And even when the night gets cold, we have to grow in love. And every day we're getting older. Still I will keep you warm. I will keep you warm. Tell her, say, hey Camille, I know the way you feel. I tell you not to worry, cause you know the love is real, yeah. Straight up loving and no backdoor deal. Full of pride, could do I? You say my baby girl, that brings my baby girl. I'm not Michael Jackson, but you rock my world. So I say, yeah, more than the diamonds and the rubies and the pearls. I want you in mine. You ready? Even when we're getting older, still I will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. I will say right there, big up the whole Tough Gang, big up the whole Marley family, the whole Jamaican know say Bob Marley a gal is dark. for you, girl. But it seems I was never on time. Still I'm gonna get through to you, girl. What? On time. What? She never hear. Tell her again.
I wanna give you some good, good loving.
Oh, I. Oh, I.
I wanna give you some good, good loving.
Turn your lights down low. Never, never try to resist. Oh no. Oh, let your love into our lives again. Saying, I love you. And I want you to know right now. Ooh, I love you. Miss Grinch. Oh, Jamaica. I wanna give you some love. I want you to sing it to me.
I wanna give you some good, good loving.
Salutations to the first musical national hero, Mr. Robert Mr. Marley. It's a pleasure to represent on your Earth Strong today. It's a pleasure to represent on this National Day of Black History. It's a pleasure to represent on this day of musical history. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I Jah. How you feeling? As you know, I represent for Dancehall. As you know, Bob Marley is a rebel. And as you know, my name is... It's the Munga and a rebel, yes! But as I got this, Bob Marley tell me this, right? He tell me this. He said, you don't want to get a person me as over here. And go marry love, get a dear. But I can give you a break.